present in here, but Daddy knows what that is. What are those? What are those? Here.
Present. Daddy, a present.
Look at Little Miss Madison would love this shirt, Gracie. Is that too big? A little big, but doesn't matter. Better big than small.
Mommy, a lollipop. Mommy, lollipop. Mommy, lollipop.
I see. Go open the rest of your presents.
Oh, Daddy, present.
All right,
What's
come here.
that one?
Come here. I want you to open this for Daddy. Here. Put your hand right there and pull. Pull.